Hi all, welcome to Code Interpreter. In this video, we see Introduction to Java. So we all learn about what this Java is and where this is being used and what is the importance of Java and more about its features. So let's start. So first we'll start about what is Java. So Java is nothing but a programming language. We can also say it is a technology. So it has a various concepts like internally there is a JDK, JVM, and JRE. How the Java executes, and it's more like it's a completely robust and object-oriented programming language, and it's a highly secured language as well. So this was first introduced in Sun. It was introduced by Sun Microsystems. Now Oracle is owning it, and James Gosling is the man behind Java, and he introduced it in the year of 1995. And they thought about very unique names. They thought about naming this technology as a silk also, but when he was sipping coffee at his office, he thought about there should be some unique name for this coding language. Then he named it as a Java. So it is nothing but an island name in Indonesia where the first coffee is produced. So that's why if you see the logo of Java also, it resembles the coffee, a cup of coffee with the flames. So this is about the Java and where this is being used majorly. So Java is majorly used in various applications. Like if you see nowadays, everybody is having mobile, and in all the mobile applications, you can say there's a Java behind it, Java used in it, and in web applications you can consider also in desktop applications, enterprise applications. And mobile applications when say like the Android is nothing but a Java only, and enterprise applications like the distributed large scale distributed applications like a banking and any finance related applications, there's a Java behind it, and embedded systems like you might be it's not only Java is being used only in the software, it is being used in the electronic appliances as well, the daily whatever the TV and washing machine that you use, so there's embedded systems being used in it, and it is coded in Java only. And also machine learning and data science, so Java is being used everywhere, you can say. So there are certain platforms in Java. You can say there's four different platforms. One is a standard edition where the Java sample, standard project will be executed. It will have, we can make use of certain core libraries like Java Util and Java Lang and all this, and you can just have one main application and write it. And there's an enterprise edition where you want to construct any distributed web applications, so you can go ahead with enterprise edition. There's a micro edition also available. This is majorly used for developing Android applications, like for mobile apps. And there's other called Java FX, which is majorly designed to develop rich internet applications. So we can say it as we can also design the desktop applications using JavaFX, and majorly this is used for it consumes less memory. Like wherever there is a less memory being used, you can use FX. And now we'll see what are the features of Java. So what features Java contains? So the first and very important feature of Java is a platform independent language. So it means like you can write the code once and you can run it on any platform, run it anywhere. So that is called as Aura. We call it as write once and run anywhere. So you can develop applications in one operating system. Suppose if you are compiling the Java code, so whenever I say the compilation, it is nothing but the Java code will be compiled using compiler into a class code, which is in the form of bytes. So it will be in the byte code. So that byte code can be executed anywhere, you on any OS. Like suppose you are compiling on Windows machine, you want to take it to Mac, or you want to take it to Linux machines or Ubuntu. Anywhere you can run it. So that's why platform independent language we can call Java as. And the next one is Java is an object oriented language because it contains fully it supports OOPS concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll discuss in depth what all these OOPS concepts are, but at a high level, it will be like, it contains everything in the form of classes and objects. So you can discuss in we'll see what all these things in the upcoming sessions. But for now, you can say like Java is an object oriented language, and Java is very simple and secured. So why we are naming it as a simple is the syntax of the Java is very simple. It's very easily understandable, and you can write it very easily, and it is learning also, it is very easy to learn. And why we are naming it as a secured language is it ensures that programs cannot gain access to memory locations without authorizations. So for everything, for every module, there should be a certain authorization that is required. So it is not accessible very easily. So it like, there is a concept of access modifiers also to check the memory access. It also ensures it verifies the code blocks for any illegal code. At the time it throws an exceptions, and also it will not allow the programmers to continue. So that's the reason we call this as a secured language. Next is a distributed. So, as I mentioned, Java is widely used in distributed applications like banking and finance related applications. So, using its enterprise edition, and also it supports multi-threading. So, multi-threading is again a huge concept. At a high level, I'm just explaining it now. It is like, executing the parallel task, multiple tasks parallelly at the same time. So that is called as multi-threading. So it means like one single program can execute. It allows the programmers to write programs to do multiple tasks. With one program, you can do multiple tasks parallelly. So that is called as a multi-threading. And also it improves the CPU and memory utilization when the application does not need to finish one task before starting the other. So it is a thing about multi-threading. And next is it provides a massive community support is there for Java programming language. There will be a huge help that you're gonna get it, and there's a huge support that is available on the or internet as well.
That's it about Java introduction. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Code Interpreter, and also please provide your feedback in the comments. Thank you. See you in the next video.